Take this for a week to have breakfast, and see what happens. This breakfast is one of the most healthy and delicious breakfasts that can exist, as it is rich in minerals and vitamins, improves the appearance of skin and hair, strengthens the body and normalizes metabolism. This breakfast cleans the intestine and removes impurities from the body. It can completely solve the problem of lazy bowel and constipation, normalize weight and burn excess fat. You can easily lose 2 kilos in just 1 week with the consumption of this breakfast. If you want to prepare this breakfast, you will only need 1. 300 milliliters of kefir or low-fat yogurt. 2. 2 bananas. 3. 1 teaspoon of flaxseed. 4. 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. Breakfast preparation: 1. Grind the 2 bananas. 2. Soak linseed seeds and oatmeal. 15 minutes later, remove the water and add it to the 2 crushed bananas. 3. Grind again. 4. If you need to be sweeter, add organic honey. With this breakfast, you are not only going to lose weight, but you are going to get more vigor throughout the day. Not to mention the great benefits it brings you regarding the tonicity of the skin.